One of the specialized products we manufacture is Marlboro X. So Marlboro X is a boron and a molybdenum nutrient mixture, but there's also seaweed extracts in there in the form of cytokinins and auxins. So as you know, auxins stimulates root growth and cytokinins vegetative growth. Boron is important for your pollination processes, so pollen viability, and then molybdenum assists in the fixation of your nitrogen, which basically just is the conversion of your nitrogen into a more usable form for your plant. What makes this product special is the manufacturing process is patented technology. This is the only product of its kind which contains the three components. So you get some fungicide control over mycete fungi like Pythium or Phytophthora. You get root development from the seaweed extract, and you get enough boron and molybdenum when you need it, specifically your oilseed crops, but any flowering crop. You can buy all of the Nutrico products at any ATS agrochemical outlets across Zambia.